I'm at IPO48, this event in Nairobi, Kenya, where a bunch of really smart people get together and try to make businesses in 2 days.
This event is about taking ideas, basically IT ideas, startup ideas, and in the course of 48 hours just making them into complete businesses. So this is a way for us to all meet each other, share ideas, work on each other's ideas, and on Sunday someone's going to walk away with 1 million shillings of investment.
With 1 million shillings in Kenya, let me see.
What couldn't you do with 1 million shillings in Kenya?
Give me 1 million shillings and I'll show you.
We expect a lot of very excited young people to come and try their hands at new business by presenting their ideas and proving that they can work together and they can come up with very big ideas that can be implemented very well, but using very minimal resources.
The biggest problem that publishers have is that they don't know what ideas will work, what ideas will fail. This is a great way for them to see live what people like, what people don't like.
So what we are doing is we'll provide a platform whereby the vendors can sign up online stalls, and will facilitate the payment and the shipping of these goods either locally or abroad.
The problem is there is not much information about matatus, where they are going, how much you pay for them, and exactly where you can get them.
So we've come up with an application called MPAM that will solve these problems and also increase their produce and revenue income by more than 70%.
So the idea is to create a commodity exchange software that will be web-based.
Apart from just focusing on the farmers, you're going to focus on the researchers, you're going to focus on the insurance companies, and you're also going to focus on the government.
So basically the current problem in Kenya is that we are caught at a point where we have very good systems, but they don't communicate with each other.
So those guys are going to get more business. Show up on time, do a good job, charge the right money, and you'll filter to the top. That's the idea.
Anyway, imagine being able to find whatever you want, whenever you like, anywhere. You see, they're not giving you the answer. They are telling you, wait. They've not given you the answer. They've told you according to Wikipedia, not according to Google. Ours will be authoritative. We'll tell you according to Stoundy.com, this is the answer. You can sue us if it's wrong.
We have marked it up to factor in the service that we're offering. There's a bit of a commission to us, because that's actually our business model. It's based on a commission basis of any item. So.
The local radio, is that in an area where they almost have like a monopoly, or how many local radio stations? I mean, could you make an affiliate agreement with a local radio that covers a big area, and saying every farmer in this area that signs up to the service, they would get a percentage of your revenue?
Yes, we put some in the market prices, though we are not very sure of the figures. So what we are trying to do is, we notice that most of the farmers in the local areas, they have local radio stations that broadcast in the local language. So what we want to target is these local channels, so that they can be able, and most of the farmers have radios, they listen to radios. That is the main source of news and everything and weather updates.
have businesses that do collection of IDs. When people lose IDs, they have like collection boxes and people drop them there. Then they have like they're called notice boards where they put them up, so that if you find your ID, you see your ID there, you can go pick it up. So our idea is to bring whatever they collect. Now we provide a platform for them to also put them up, because they normally put IDs for a week, then they bring in new IDs like that. So it will be like a more permanent way of people getting to see if your ID is there.
So what you're telling me is if I lose my ID, I can actually go to a shop and get it back.
You can claim that that's your document. When you claim, then the person holding it, the outlet holding your document will get a notification that this guy is claiming for the document.
How to do the budget. This looks more complicated than it really is. So if somebody's in CBD and they don't know CBD well, and they say we want to ride from this price to the other, their starting price is going to be 1,000 shillings. But in reality, we both know that it's 200. So when they pay 250 instead of 200, we don't think they're going to worry that much because they're not paying 1,000.
So your
the
market
rip-off factor.
We've started this project within the 48 hours. We did not have any prototype in advance. So right now we are doing the SMS and the IVR. The work, we have developed one part of it whereby the monitors will be entering the prices from where they are and send it to us.
I think we're going to win because we have a really sound business plan. There's definitely a need for what we're offering, and we're really organizing things to make things better. And we're making things not only easier for the passengers, but also the taxi drivers, so it's kind of a win-win for everyone involved. And from our initial test right now, it's working really well, so I think we've definitely got it down.
Of course, I am very, very happy, and you can see the tension now building within the teams. People are putting a lot of effort into this, and now D-Day is here. A lot of people know that within 2 hours there'll be a lot of relief coming off their shoulders.
Hi everybody, we are Taxi Match, the service that lets our customers call from anywhere in Nairobi at any time and get a safe, fair price taxi within 10 minutes.
People who come into your shop to redeem their coupons that they buy from our site. Efficient, measurable, risk-free marketing. Reach out to a specific number of people and you can actually know who's coming in, what kind of customers you should target, all that. An exclusive spotlight for your business. For the 48 hours that your deal is on our site, you will actually be the star of the day.
What we want to do is, we want to interconnect the farmers so that they can be having a forum of your own, sharing information among themselves, encouraging collaboration between themselves so that they can be able to sell together, buy together, so that they can be fighting these people, the middlemen who are ripping off their wealth. That is the strength of MFAM.
So we've built into our financial models a lot of costs to go around and do collection. One of the things is that after the first ride, they have to pay us or they're sent out of the system. So our risk is only 50 shillings, which isn't so bad. But also we have built in for our model for people to travel around and collect every once in a while. One other thing to answer your question is that we have a whole ranking system built in so that every single time a customer takes a ride, we send a message after, did you arrive safely? And how do you rank your taxi on a scale of 1 to 10? So the good taxi drivers will get more and more business out of time, and the bad taxi drivers will get kicked out of the system.
The number 2 position went to a pitch that was actually very interesting, very well prepared, interesting problem, interesting execution, interesting take on it. So Taxi Match, where are you? Taxi Match, please stage.
And preliminary We'll announce now the main winner. Stage is yours.
So before I begin, I'd like to say congratulations to everyone who took part. It was very exciting, I think, for me. The winner that I'm about to announce was a near unanimous decision. It was very exciting. And I think you'll agree, had all girls in their team. So.